We are, as a country, at a point of inflection today with life skills. There is genuine interest, there is a written word in our policy, and there is interest among state governments to actually integrate life skills into education. For us to actually mainstream life skills in education, I believe it is important to look at it from 4 levels. The lowest level, of course, is capacity, which is how do we train our teachers, how do we train our cluster and block level officials, how do we train parents to be able to have the capacity and the skills to be able to engage in life skills. The second level is incentives. How do we establish the right incentives for students, parents, teachers to actually focus on life skills, because current incentives in education are focused on learning outcomes. And as long as we don't shift that and saying that life skills are just as important as learning outcomes, I don't think that we will be able to move it. The third is rules and structures. How do we fix our curriculum to take an integrated view to education, where every subject we teach has an integrated focus on life skills, where classroom transactions have a focus on life skills, where our curriculum has a focus on life skills, but setting up those rules, setting up those structures to make sure that the system responds to the need for life skills is the third level. But the most important level that I believe is critical is the fourth level, which is the paradigm. As long as we as a society measure the value of education in the ability to create the highest income and the greatest job, I feel we will always look at learning in a certain way. When we integrate our understanding of the purpose of education to good citizenship, great emotional well-being, and creating a wholesome personality, I think the focus on life skills automatically becomes front and center. It is important for us to work at all of these 4 levels for us to ensure that life skills in education gets mainstreamed.